Hello, this is CyberDragon. Today I'm going to talk about how to play games online and download apps online from your Android phone and iPhone. First thing you got to do is use BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an emulator for Android, for PC, and Mac computers. It is an American company that produced the BlueStacks app player and cloud-based cross-platform products. The company was founded in 2011 in San Francisco, California. CEO is Rosen Sherman. There's headquarters is in Campbell, California. Video games, they have a lot of types. The platform is 86 32-bit Intel 86 or 86 64-bit. Alright, first thing you want to do is just go to Google search and it's how to download games online. Alright, first thing you do is you can download any type of games like action roleplay. It's not just for games. You can also download your apps online so you can do work online if you need it. And it's backed up by Intel, AMD, Qualcomm, which is for speech-enabled service, Ignition, Radar Partners, Principal Ventures, and so forth. You can really what type of you can do like any Android games online. Take it further. There's like the demo. And you can do it all online. All that course, everything. Anything you do on the phone, you can do online. After that, you do everything online. Hit the download BlueStacks 4. It's the 4th edition. BlueStacks 5 is you have to pretty much it's only a beta test right now, so it's best to do the 4th one. 5th one is just beta test, so it's still working through kinks and errors. When you show up, it's a bit like a big screen, and there's like all the settings, document. It does take up CPU space, so plan accordingly and know the determined conditions and specific computer requirements. It works on Windows 10, 8, and 7. Next thing you want to do, this is a game I always play. You gotta download this app. You have to download the APK app, which is right here. Download this, and then just download it separately. Next thing you gotta do is processor virtualization utility. So you need to find you gotta see if your computer supports virtual technology. Well, most of the time, yes, it does, but the only thing is it's disenabled. So to enable it, all you gotta do is Control Shift and Escape. Something like that. Well, it looks like you have to follow the instructions. It'll show up the task manager. Uh, when you see the task manager, it's very much simple. You click on part, what you want to do, and then go to the performance, and it'll tell you your CPU. My CPU is 2.3 gigahertz i5, and you gotta see virtualization. Is it enabled? If it's not, mine is disabled, so I have to manually do it. So what you do is you download the Intel Processor Identification utility, and it'll tell you your computer, everything, specifications. Follow through the steps. It's pretty much simple. Next thing you want to do is do the BIOS on your computer. BIOS is a firmware used to perform hardware initialization during the booting process. to provide time service for operating systems and BIOS firmware pre-installed on computer. All you gotta do is just like enable it. Okay, you can like watch videos. What is BIOS? And you have to enable that. After that, you also enable like another software, which is like an ADM software. It's just for the to enhance the virtualization technology. Then after you first thing you gotta encode it, which means like you have to extract all the files and then hit extract on the logo, and then it'll get the game or any app ready to play and everything, or ready to do any kind of work. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for update on like computer software, personal finance, and cybersecurity, and make money online, and a lot of other stuff. And share this video everyone so they know how to download through you can use like Google Play Store or stuff like that. It's the same feature as enable Google Play Store in the BlueStack. So, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.